Dear learners, today I am going to take you through the supply chain case study of P&G. In the early 2010s, Procter Gamble identified a low load factor problem in its transport operations, between its production facilities in Belgium and its warehouses in Greece. P&G shipments of detergents consisted in an intermodal solution of road and railway transport that was using 95% of the maximum weight capacity of the vehicles but only 50% of the volume capacity. The company realized that increasing the use of the volume capacity of its vehicles was an opportunity to reduce logistics costs and increase the overall efficiency of its supply chain. In P&G's research to find an innovative solution to its low load factor problems, the company considered load consolidation as a potential solution. Load consolidation is a traditional response to these challenges, in which logistics service providers aim to reduce empty backhauling and convert less than truckload shipments to full truckloads by merging different shippers' freight volumes, when there is some geographical and temporal overlapping in logistics operations. However, logistics service providers are not able to take full advantage of all potential bundling synergies, as they are not allowed to modify their clients' transport orders and logistics volumes. Moreover, in this framework, load consolidation is an internal optimization process that each logistics service provider apply to cargo movements of shippers in its client's base. But freight flows potentially compatible for bundling are likely to pertain to different shippers, and given the high degree of fragmentation in the logistics sector, it is unlikely that a single logistics service provider operates those transport operations. P&G, through its project, TINA, had already relied on load consolidation filling vehicles with its own light and heavy products, in order to reach an optimal cargo density. However, load consolidation did not seem to be an optimal approach to P&G concerns in this particular corridor, but the idea of bundling cargo with other companies led to consider collaborative solutions. One of the innovative solutions that is designed to reduce capacity underutilization of the transport system is the integration of supply chains in supply networks. These supply networks would be the result of logistics collaboration among different companies that might involve jointly using transport capacities and warehouses or co-loading. Vertical collaboration is a partnership between companies and suppliers or companies and customers. On the other hand, horizontal collaboration engages companies that might be competitors operating in the same market, or other organizations operating at the same level of the supply chain. According to the P&G's view, horizontal collaboration seemed to be an interesting alternative to increase the potential of load consolidation, by synchronizing transport orders from different shippers. In this sense, P&G understood the low-load vehicles in the Belgium and Greece corridor as an opportunity to create a demonstration case of the high potential of horizontal collaboration. It is important to note that, despite the many likely benefits of horizontal collaboration, many companies and departments within these companies see horizontal collaboration as a very difficult process to implement due to its operational problems, which is mainly because of a lack of trust on other companies' behavior. The underutilization problem of transport capacities faced by P&G was happening in one of its multiple logistics corridors. The company was sending shipments of detergents between Belgium's Mechelen and Athens in Greece. These products are quite heavy, which yielded that the 45-feet containers used for the transportation were full in weight but half empty in volume. P&G was seeking for a company sending light products in shipments between Belgium and Greece, with a similar supply chain design and using analogous routes that allowed them to use co-loading for their shipments. Moreover, the potential partner directives should be open-minded in terms of innovative solutions and willing to set up collaboration with an external company. Finally, P&G selected Tupperware as its partner in the horizontal collaboration project. The reasons were that Tupperware also had manufacturing facilities and distribution centers in Belgium, more precisely in Aalst. Tupperware was sending plastics boxes to Theva, 100 kilometers away from Athens, by road. The shipments had a frequency of 1 trip a week, with transit times between 3 and 5 days, which resulted in approximately 80 loads per year. The bulk cargo had a load preparation of 27 man-hours and filled around 80% of the maximum volume of the vehicles but only 30% of its weight capacity. The table shown here summarizes the main characteristics of the freight flows of P&G and Tupperware. The main opportunities are the alignment of the distances and routes covered by the products of both companies, and also the compatibility of the cargo with heavy products sent by P&G, and lightweight but voluminous products shipped by Tupperware. However, there were some important differences in terms of speed and frequency between both companies that had to be addressed. After evaluating the potential compatibility of both carriers, the next phase required sharing further information between P&G and Tupperware. In the preparation phase, in-depth analysis of the flows indicated that there was a 98% overlap of lanes supplying the Greek market. This figure and the willingness to collaborate from both companies were seen as a promising starting point. In the second phase, P&G built a profitable business case and quantified the potential benefits of collaboration. Benefits were measured in terms of efficiency gains, sustainability and service level improvements. One of the potential problems identified in the second phase was that Tupperware was shipping all the cargo only using road transport, which was way faster than P&G intermodal transport line to Greece. In order to assess the true potential of the collaboration, and reduce the uncertainty generated by these dissimilarities between both supply chains, the companies decided to move ahead to the next phase, which is the operational implementation. The horizontal collaboration was focused on incorporating the Tupperware flows in the P&G supply chain. The solution consisted in the elimination of all direct Tupperware truck shipments to Greece, which were being loaded as bulk in the vehicles. Instead, the Tupperware products were shipped to the P&G distribution center in Mechelen. In this distribution center, P&G detergents were being palletized and loaded in containers. The horizontal collaboration required that the Tupperware plastic cases were top-loaded on the detergents pallets, and transported to Greece using the 45-feet containers carried by road and railway. The resulting collaborative supply chain, in which freight flows from both manufacturers are bundled. After solving operational-related problems, Tupperware was also concerned about the impact that switching from fast truck services to the slower intermodal lane used by P&G would have on its customers. However, the speed reduction in the collaborative supply chain had no negative effects on Tupperware service levels. In fact, pilot shipments implementations show that the quality of Tupperware deliveries increased. This was the result of higher frequencies of P&G shipments to Greece, as P&G was shipping detergents daily while Tupperware was sending the plastic cases only twice a week. Higher frequency shipments compensated for the 2 days longer transit times. Since these pilot shipments were successful, those Tupperware departments that were more reluctant to establish the collaboration project were convinced of its feasibility. Besides reducing transport costs by 17%, the horizontal collaboration between P&G and Tupperware has additional impacts on efficiency and sustainability. The collaborative shipments of both companies have increased the overall efficiency of the shared supply chain, by raising the load factor from around 50% to 85%. In addition, this project has allowed Tupperware to take advantage of a more sustainable transport mode, and by using railways, a total 150,000 truck kilometers has been saved in the first year of the project application. According to P&G estimates, CO2 emissions have been reduced by more than 200 tons. Another positive and relevant outcome of the collaboration between P&G and Tupperware is the impact it may have on the good image and reputation of horizontal collaboration as a potential solution to other companies. The high quality and innovative characteristic of the collaboration between P&G and Tupperware has been awarded with the Prize of the Audience in the Supply Chain Award Project of the year 2013. Besides this recognition from the industry, the success experienced in the development and implementation of this project have made P&G and Tupperware aware of the potential of horizontal collaboration. In fact, P&G and Tupperware consider that both companies can take advantage of the know-how gained within this project, by extending their collaboration to other lanes and corridors. Thank you so much for listening to this video. I hope this video might be informative for you. If you find this video useful, I would request you to like this video, and please do share your feedback regarding this video in the comment. It would mean a lot to me. Last but not the least, as mentioned earlier, do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for receiving updates about my upcoming case study videos. You can also write in the comment, if you would like me to make videos regarding any specific case studies that you have in your mind. Meanwhile, you can also have a check on my 5 Minutes Learning YouTube channel for getting access to hundreds of case study videos. Thanks a lot again, see you soon with another interesting case study video.